Spectrum routers, including combined modem router units, log device connections, network activity, and usage data. This helps monitor network performance and troubleshoot issues. This includes parental reports if you're using features like Spectrum Protect, formerly known as Ultimate. These reports track device activity for monitoring purposes. You might want to clear this history for privacy reasons. Router logs can reveal browsing behavior and device connections to anyone with access. Clearing can also resolve connectivity issues caused by corrupted logs that slow down or disrupt network performance. Additionally, you might clear to reset parental reports, allowing a fresh start on monitoring device usage. It's important to understand that while you can clear logs on your router, some data may also be stored on Spectrum's servers. Clearing your router history doesn't delete data Spectrum needs for billing or legal reasons. We'll focus on what you can control. There are two primary ways to clear your Spectrum router history: using the Spectrum app or accessing the router's admin panel. Using the Spectrum app is the easiest method for clearing parental control data. Open the app, go to My Account, then Manage Devices and Parental Controls. Look for options like Clear History or Reset Reports. For the router admin panel method, connect to your Wi-Fi network and open a web browser. Enter your router's gateway IP address, usually 192.168.0.1, but check the Spectrum app if that doesn't work. Log in with your router's username and password, often found on the router itself. Navigate to sections like Advanced Logs, Parental Controls, or Device History. Look for a Clear Logs button, often under System Event Log. You can also perform a factory reset by holding the reset button on the router for 10 to 15 seconds, but this will disconnect all devices and require reconfiguration.